I got my first paid YouTube partnership brand thing. And I'm not monetized yet, so that is very, I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow. I'm gonna get so many stains on it, and then I'm gonna wash it in bleach. I'm about to shoot the content that I have to submit for them, and then we're gonna... So this is the reel that me and Jack did for Sportiqe. I would include the song, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram to see this past post and my future posts, but also use my Sportiqe, oh my gosh, Sportiqe code, Twatson with a 0 for 20% off. Yep. Oh my gosh, I'm so cute, and so is she. But yeah, bye.